Hi, Miss M7144. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Elizabeth Francisco. I'm 36 years old, married. I have three kids. 16 years old a boy, 11 years old girl, and the youngest is 3 years old girl. I'm Methodist. My religion is Methodist. I'm a undergraduate college, Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have a working experience here in the Philippines as a helper. My my duties as a helper as uh, taking care of family of my employer and um,
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores
yes
and
sir,
and taking good care of their family.
yes
So
sir.
how many member of the family?
Five, three children and one couple.
Okay, so since you don't have experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes sir.
Okay, if the newborn is crying, what will you do?
I can check my temperature and I can feed the baby if he's hungry and check the diaper if full.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry after you did your very best, what will you do?
I can call parents' attention
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because the high salary and beautiful country.
Okay, and how long do you prepare to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer is good for me.
Okay,
And
so it is okay to you to be extended, right?
yes, sir.
So if your employer wants you to extend your contract, you are willing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir.
Okay, but it is okay to you to learn.
Yes, sir. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, and how will you learn to cook?
I'm watching YouTube and reading recipe book.
Okay.
Chinese book.
And also, you could ask your madam and sir if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job without a helper.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with a baby or kids?
Okay, sir.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to learn their language.
Yes, sir.
How about not to use cell phone while working?
It's okay, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your dearest employer?
So my future employer hire me because I'm honest and I do my best.
Okay, can you promise also to take good care of their children?
Yes, sir.
Can you follow the rules and regulation?
Yes, sir.
Can you also respect their tradition and
Yes,
culture?
sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Elizabeth. Thank you so much.